Hey guys, this is Cory with Fun Town RV Amarillo, and today we're going to take a look at a great entry-level rear kitchen bumper pull. This is the 2024 KZ Sportsman SE Model 241 RKSE. We're going to show you the inside and show you the outside of this rear kitchen couples trailer. But before we do, all of the specifications on this trailer will be down in the video description down below, as well as a link for the current pricing on this trailer. So again, we're going to show you the inside, show you the outside. Let me know what you think about this trailer down in the comment section down below, and let's get started. All right, guys, so this is the view you're greeted with as you step inside the Sportsman 241 RKSE. Now, as previously stated, this is a rear kitchen couples trailer. So starting off, one of the things I love to see in a quote-unquote entry-level trailer, and I use that, just because it's more of a budget-friendly. But take a look at this. They have the matching matching linoleum in the slide out. That is not the least expensive way to do that. So I love that they're spending the extra money just for the aesthetics, and also, it's so much easier to clean. Now right here, this is a jackknife sofa, so it's more like a futon, and it will turn down into an extra bed if need be for the occasional guest. Big windows, both of these do open. No slide side windows. That's one of the little areas that they're able to cut costs just a little bit, because windows and lights are the two most expensive things to put in a camper. Now, as we sit down on the jackknife sofa, you are directly across from the entertainment center. So you do have your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace there. You have your sound bar. That'll control your interior and exterior speakers. And then you do have a TV pre-installed from the factory. Most other aluminum-sided campers do not come with a TV already pre-installed from the factory. You also have dual AC runs, so you don't have to worry about those hot and cold spots. 15K AC. And then you've got your breakers and fuses right there. Now, one of the things that they do in a Sportsman is you do have the in-floor ducted heating. So no cabinet ducted heating in these. I know that's a deal breaker for some people, but this is way more efficient to heat the camper. Now over here, you do have a booth dinette. This will turn down into another extra sleeping area. So you can sleep 4 to 6 depending on the size of people that you're trying to sleep. Also, I love this power outlet right there. That is a very smart location, especially if you're going to do some work with a laptop or something. Makes it easy to do. Another thing that's really cool is you do have this campside window to let you look outside. Lots of countertop space over there. You could, set out a fajita bar or, nachos for game day, whatever you want to use it for. And you do have another outlet right here. Now this TV is on a swing arm mount, so you can swivel it around to face the dinette if you do want to or need to. You do have your slide out and awning controls, some lighting controls, exterior lighting controls, and your water pump button right there as well. Now back here you do have your kitchen, and speaking of the kitchen, let's go ahead now and, before I do that, one of the things they are doing is the black colored pleated nightshades on all the windows so that you can block the heat out. But now let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the kitchen in a little more detail. So I want to start off over here. You do have a nice deep pantry. Now on all of these, this is a wood cabinet with a sticker wrap, but I love the two-tone different shades of brown. I think it just looks really good. You do have storage, not super deep, but it is better than nothing. Glass panels there on both sides of your TV. Now underneath, you do have some pretty dang good storage on both sides of the fireplace as well. Back here, you've got a 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. So you can see that right there. That'll work off of the available 200 watt solar package. We don't spec ours out this way, but you can get solar panels. Good storage there for maybe some pots and pans and things. You do have a microwave and hood range vent combo there. 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover. Oven down below in case you need to do some baking. That is a 17-inch oven. 3 full extension plywood box. Ball bearing drawer guided drawers. And then over here you have plenty of space for a trash can. Pressed membrane thermofoil style countertops. Nice big 1 basin sink with the high-rise faucet. Big storage up over there with the glass inserts again. And decent countertop space with 2 windows. You also have got the electrical outlet right there. That's in a good spot for coffee makers and things. Now there is storage underneath here and underneath there. I just always like to leave these completely set up, but you do have some good storage there as well. So, all right, guys, let's go ahead now and we will take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. All right, so stepping into the bathroom. Plastic toilet, not a huge deal breaker because you can always swap that out. You do have your on-demand water heater controls here, lighting and fan controls here with some octopus looking coat hooks. Vent fan up top. You have a mirror on a wall, no medicine cabinet. I think that was a huge miss on KZ's part, but that's just me. GVWR protected outlet, thermofoil countertops, plenty of room over there where you could put like an organizer for some towels, and you got some storage here with a decent sized sink. Now, as far as room on the toilet, flipping us around, I have got plenty of elbow room on both sides and plenty of room here for leg room. Now, it is a smaller bathroom, but they really did a good job. Stepping up into the shower though, I'm 6'2". If I flip this around, since there is no skylight, I've only maybe got a ½ an inch above my head. So if you're a taller person, this may not work for you, but I always like to kind of give you an idea of space. All right, you do have a door, of course, to close that off. Stepping up front, here is the main AC thermostat. Sliding pocket door to close off the bedroom. You have a 60 by 74 camper queen. You do got a trunk storage here. Wish that was on struts though. Storage on both sides. 2 little stands. You have household outlets on this side, USB ports on the other side. And then over here, you do have a spot where you can mount a TV. Windows on both sides of the bed do open, and each side is going to have some some hanging storage. Now I wonder, they did not. Okay, so that is the only plugs in the bedroom. I think that's a miss, if I'm being completely honest. And then you do have a second 13.5 AC up here in the bedroom. Now, the cool thing about these use the residential AC filters instead of the RV ones, so that it is pretty cool. And then you have a thermostat right there for that second air conditioner. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the inside. Let's go ahead. We'll breeze around the outside real quick and show you what all it has to offer. All right, guys, so we're on the outside of the 241 RKSE from Sportsmen. Starting up front here, you do have the power tongue jack, so you don't have to crank anything up front. 2 20-pound propane tanks. You do have the battery and that comes with the camper from Fun Town RV. 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Those are going to be manual, but you can always run those with a cordless impact or drill. Good storage up here. Goes all the way across. You do have your magnetic holdbacks. And you do have the key alike system. So all your keys, or you have one key that fits all your locks, which is pretty cool. Down underneath here, fully enclosed, forced air heated underbelly. So that is a great thing to see. Gives you that extended season use. I wouldn't say this is a 4-season camper. I'd call it a spring, summer, fall camper. Power awning, that does have LED light strips in it. You are going to have some outside speakers. Black tank flush, outside shower. This is a tandem axle. And you do have good looking mag wheels there. Again, outside speakers. You also have a little porch light too, which is really nice. Power outlet if you need to plug anything in. And what's cool about the Sportsman product, a couple things. One, they give you the screenshot. So that's this little guy here to close the screen door. They also give you the screen defender. So if you have pets, they're not inclined to run through the screen door. Triple step, more ride, step above steps. And this does have the friction hinge door, which is really nice. Again, this is the 241 RKSE. Does have the leash latch with bottle opener. Coming around to the back, you are prepped and ready for a backup camera. You have your spare tire carrier, 4-inch square tubular bumper for your stinky slinky, 50 amp service, on-demand water heater, and then right here is going to be your galley tank dump. Single slide out, it is the rack and pinion variety. Now coming up here, you do have your second dump here for your bathroom. City water and fresh water connections right there as well. Now this is a fully walkable roof, so you can get up there to your maintenance. But that's going to wrap it up for the 2024 KZ Sportsman 241 RKSE. If you're interested in this trailer and you would like pricing and availability, that link will be down in the video description, as well as all the specifications for this unit. Remember, at Fun Town RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around. We do all that with no hidden dealer fees. So again, my name is Cory Gabel. We thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope to see you out here at Fun Town RV very soon. We'll see you on the next one.